Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the keyword research tool. So you can see keyword research tool. We have to go to the Google Planner. This is completely free. Okay, so if you are going to make the website, first if your website get ranked on Google, you need a keyword research. So keyword research is very must when you rank the website on Google. Okay, when you index the website on Google, keyword research is very best. Okay, so if you are going to purchase the tool like SEMrush, and there are many plenty of tools are there, the keyword planner is completely free. Okay, keyword planner which is brought by Google, so it's completely free. So you can log in on your Gmail ID. Okay, you go over here. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so here you can check the everything. Okay, so the country wise, what are the, if you are target on the particular keyword, so the country, how the performance of that particular country, how the competition, and how the visitors come, all the things are you can check. So here click discover. This one you try. I just take prints to press enter key. This is the first keyword. This is called as short tail keyword. Another one I'm going to called as press enter key. Again I'm going to print to qualification, qualification. So this is called as short tail keyword. It's known as long tail keyword. So I have to, this keyword I am going to search on the country which is the United States. Or these are the audience are there in the United States. You can see the reach of United States, how many audience are there. Okay, so after that you click get result. You can see you have get this one. It's a campaign. Okay, so you can see the campaign here, prints to certificate. This is known as a short tail keyword. So the average monthly searches you can see 1K to 10K. Okay, 1 to 10K. This is a medium. Okay, it's a medium. So here you can see there are things. This is the short tail keyword. So this is the short tail keyword. So this is called as, here you can see them. These are the called as management. This is known as a long tail. So when you are rank the website, you are consider about the long tail keyword first. Okay, so the people are coming and check here like this. iPhone 6 below 2000, under 2000, like this. This is called as a long tail keyword. Okay, this is called as long tail keyword. Okay, if you are right like this is called as short tail. So long tail keywords, you are focused on the long tail keyword. This is very must. Okay, if you are focused on the long tail keyword, so you can get the article. So if you have your check with the competition as well. So if it is low, it's good, more good. Here you can go to this here. This one should be plus 900%. I mean, this one should be low competition. You can take this word and you can write the articles. Low competition and this one. So here somehow you have write the articles. You have to take as first long tail keyword, low competition keywords. Okay, lower. Okay, somehow you cannot. You can get the medium part. Okay, first you have to target your as all the things are going to be long tail keywords. Long tail keyword you have to get at least 4. Put it your articles. Short tail keyword at least you get 2. That's enough. Okay, that is enough for rank your website in Google ranking. So here you can see this prints to training. Okay, this one also you can get it. Okay, 1K to 2. This one we have monthly volume is there. This is the competition is low. Okay, you just search the competition. This also the, okay, to online courses. This the competition is good. Okay, first you have to monthly search. Also you have to check how the check performance. Okay, this is monthly. So you have to check if you don't take these are the keywords. This one so pointless. We are waste our time. 10 to 100 searches are there. You don't take it. At least you take 1K to 10K like this. This is okay, fine. But this kind you can take 1k to 10k, this is more fine. Okay, so that you have to take the word 1000 to 10,000 is more fine. 100 to 1000 is fine but not good fine. That's a rather good. I good. Don't take keywords, these are the below 100, that is not much. Okay, so consider the keyword plan. So I have my country is United States. If you want to target any other country, you can here there are all the countries are there. So you okay, UK, you can United Kingdom. Okay, these are the reaches there. Okay, so you can write United Kingdom. If you are using United Kingdom and United States, both people you are targeting on, you can both people you are targeting on, you can make this keyword. So if you want to target all the countries, so how to target? So these all the things you have to remove it. Now you can target on worldwide. Here now the population is very high, you are target on worldwide so that the population is get high. Understand that if you target a particular country, that particular country, how many population has that particular person who interests in that particular niche, those people only monthly average will become. Okay, so if you have put select the country worldwide, there are plenty of people interested in that target keyword, so that we can have many peoples. Okay, so here go through this all the things. Okay, here there, here 1k to 10, here there are many people, plenty of people target. So here 10k, this is a very good keyword. Here medium also you can target. So here the thing is this, someone asked me the doubt on the comment box. If it is only take the low competition low keyword only, we have to take and write the article. So the thing is this, you can, if you are a new blogger, you can always go to the competition low keyword and you can target and write the article, so that easy to rank the Google search. So if your blog is 5 years 6 years old, you definitely target on the medium or high competition keywords. That is no mind. The new blogger also we can target the medium and high competition keywords, but you can optimize your gig well. Okay, you have to write the article properly, and if the article is good, and you can optimize the image as a very good quality and very nice attractive image. If you uploaded those kind of the things, you have to observe your blog can rank on Google. So there are many things you have to consider when you index the blog on your Google. Okay, so you have to optimize you have a article writer in your company, you have to give that article to write in the efficient way. Okay, after that you have to give these keywords. These are the keywords I have got research from Google, and you have to, based on the keyword, you have to write the article very efficient and concise way, then only we can rank on the Google. Okay, that is the thing you have to consider before write the articles. So we can rank on Google search. Thank you for watching.